Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing Super Eats in Sydney. In this new series, we will be looking at fine dine restaurants in Australia. Today, we're going to be seeing the Grand Pavilion. The Pavilion is an authentic Indian restaurant. Branches in Ettalong, Warners Bay, and Terrigal. They have many positive reviews and ratings on Google. So come, let's see the restaurant. Here we are at the Grand Pavilion in Ettalong, NSW. It is close to Ettalong Beach. The ambience inside the Grand Pavilion in Ettalong is characterized by an atmosphere of elegance, warmth, and modern sophistication. As you step inside the Grand Pavilion, you are greeted by a sense of refinement and class. The architecture features clean lines, high ceilings, and tasteful decor. During the day, natural light floods the spaces, creating a cheerful and bright ambience. In the evening, the lighting transforms to create a more intimate and enchanting atmosphere, perfect for events, performances, or romantic dinners. The tandoori chicken tastes very nice. It's very fluffy and soft. It's nice and hot. It's also spicy. The meat is also well cooked, and it's really tasty. Here we have gotten special permission to record inside the kitchen. As soon as I entered the kitchen, I could see so many dishes being prepared all at once. The aroma was amazing. The way they get the sizzle while serving the dishes is by heating two cast iron plates, as you could have seen. Here there were two furnaces. In the first one, meat was being cooked slowly, and in the other one is where they cook the naans and roti. It's a well organized kitchen. Here the chef is cutting up the tandoori chicken. Now we're going to see the chef prepare a butter naan and see how he places it inside the furnace. And the furnace was so hot, as soon as the naan stuck to the side, it started cooking immediately. It was a well-organized kitchen, ready to cater multiple people at once. It was usually busy during weekends with about 100 to 150 people and a lot of online orders. So what's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is palak paneer, which I'm making now.
Okay. What's famous, most ordered dish?
This butter chicken. Usually we sell around like per day we sell around 50-60 butter chickens.
Okay. What are the type of people that come here? Mostly Asian or mostly non-Asian?
Mostly white people.
Okay.
They love the butter chicken, cheese garlic naan.
Approximately how many people come here every?
On average 50 to 60.
Good. Thank you. What's your favorite dish?
Butter chicken and goat meat.
Butter chicken.
Goat meat and lamb.
Lamb. Nice.
Cooked lamb here, very nice.
How long have you been working here?
Me 2 years.
2 years. Good. Do many people come here?
Yeah, many, very busy.
Nice.
Yeah, weekend very busy.
Okay. Very busy on the weekends?
Yeah.
About approximately how many people?
In the whole week or?
No, in one day on the weekend.
In the weekend, sometime 100 more than 100.
100, more than 100. Nice.
They want a online delivery too much.
Online delivery
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Okay. As I was looking through the menu, there was a page filled with rewards. There's also a chef special banquet. Has main course, side dish, dessert, and the entry. Can be for per person or for entire table. And then back to awards, they have so many awards from 2014 to 2016. Uh, about 20 awards: excellence in innovation, best Indian in NSW, excellent certificate of excellence, excellence in business ethics, and so many more awards. There were two more people in the kitchen, but I couldn't talk to them as it was a busy evening. For the main course, we ordered Handi Goat masala, roti, and butter naan. The Handi Goat masala was well cooked, tender, juicy, and wonderful. The butter naan was cooked well. It was baked. It was soft and crispy. My mother ordered the roti as she thought it was a healthier option. The roti was soft too. We ordered the butter naan and lamb handi. They both taste very well together. The naan is really soft and they have many layers on it. It's really tasty. And both of them together, it's a perfect combination. The handi is nice and spicy. The meats are well cooked and it's really tasty. So that was episode 1 of Super Eats the Grand Pavilion. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. I'll see you with the next video soon.